Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I want you guys to understand. You're not supposed to memorize it. You're supposed to understand the cervical C. It's a very easy concept. It's staging. I want you guys to draw it with me, okay? So this is the depth of stromal invasion. Wait, why is the camera so blurry? Okay, this is below with this depth of stromal invasion. So when this depth of stromal invasion is less than or equal to 5 mm, confined to the cervix. We're talking about the cervix right now, okay? This is 1A, okay? 1A, okay? When it is less than or equal to 5 mm. This has a further this whole is less than or equal to 5 mm. This further subdivision point of 3 mm, okay? So up till 3 mm, less than or equal to 3 mm, this is 1A1. And beyond that, till less than 5 mm, it's 2. Simple. Okay, just draw it and you'll know it. And then we have 1B. So we have crossed in 1B, of course, we have crossed the 5 mm landmark, and now we have gone to, now we are talking about size over here, not just stromal invasion. Okay, so now we are basically entering the greater size. Okay, 5 mm. We have crossed 5 mm because it was less than or equal to 5. We have reached the equal now more than 5 mm, another line. Now we have greater. It's no limit. It can be to any point, but it should be in the cervix. So it automatically means you're not going to go beyond the whole cervical length. It's common sense. So more than 5 mm, we're going to divide it into 3 parts. The first one is more than 5 mm but less than or equal to 2 mm, 2 centimeters. The second part is more than 2 centimeters but less than or equal to 4 centimeter. And then anywhere from more than 4 centimeter, no upper limit is at the third part. This is 1B1, 1B2, 1B3. Very simple again, guys. No upper limit. Over here we had an upper limit of 5 mm. Once it crosses, again write this down, once the stromal invasion crosses 5 mm, it is no longer 1A1. Okay, 1A1 is up till 5 mm only. Okay, so next we have the 2. We are done with 1. My brain is not working as usual. Now we have 2. So 2 is, now it's like I'm too tired of cervix. I'm going to go beyond the uterus and the cervix. So it's A and B. Okay, so A in involving the upper 2/3 of vagina, and B is involving the parametrium, but not the pelvis, not the pelvic side, the parametrium. My writing looks like Chinese. Nobody's going to own this writing. Parametrium, okay? So the upper 2/3 of vagina, how can things be so simple? And we are again going to make it more complicated. In this portion, we're going to divide it into 2A1 and 2A2 based on size again. And now over here we have 4 centimeter, less than or equal to 4 centimeter, more than 4 centimeter. Very easy peasy. Both 2A1 and 2A2, upper 2/3 of vagina, this is the difference of size of 4 centimeter. 2B, only parametrium, not making it any more complex. No subdivisions in 2B, 2 subdivisions in 2A, 2 subdivisions in 1A, and 3 subdivisions in 1B. We get it now, okay? Now we're going to talk about stage 3. Stage 3 involves the remaining portion of the vagina. That was the lower 1/3. The pelvic side wall was not involved in 2B. Now it's involved in stage 3, okay? So stage 3 is having A, B, and C. No subdivisions in numbers, okay? Only A, B, C is enough to confuse us, but we will not be confused. So 3A is lower 1/3 of the vagina. The remaining 3B is the pelvic side wall. Very important exam question, that if the pelvic side wall is involved in this portion, this is going to be renal issues. The ureter are going to be obstructed. There's going to be hydronephrosis. The question is, when is they're going to be hydronephrosis? It's not going to be there before 3B, because before 3B ureter is not involved, because pelvic side wall is not involved. So remember that 3B and beyond, you're going to have renal issues, and non-functioning kidney can also happen. Now 3C. 3C is lymph nodes, okay? Simple. Pelvic and para-aortic. Now, I'm sorry guys, I didn't tell you that C has numbers, okay? 1 and 2. Very easy almost non-existent. 3C1 is pelvic lymph nodes and 3C2 is para-aortic lymph nodes. See, very easy. You guys already know it. And 4 is going to be, now it's going to go beyond true pelvis. Is going to cross and beyond the true pelvis. I don't know why am I writing so much Tani Rogi writing. I just listen to me, okay? And 4A is spread to the adjacent pelvic organs, the mucosa of the bladder and the rectum, and 4B is the distant spread, adjacent spread, distant spread. Very easy, very simple. Thank you guys.